In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for task management. Whether you're coordinating a small team or organizing your personal projects, Monday.com is a powerful tool that can help you stay on top of your tasks with ease. Let's dive in step by step to understand how you can make the most out of this platform. The first thing you need to do is sign into your Monday.com account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to set up. Just head to their website and create your account. Once you're signed in, you'll instantly notice the intuitive design and the seamless interface that makes task management a breeze. Now, let's get started by creating a new board. To do this, locate the plus new board button. This is your main canvas for organizing tasks. Here you can tailor-make your setup to fit any specific project needs you might have. After clicking that button, you'll be presented with two options. Choose a template provided by Monday.com or start from scratch. Using a template is a great option if you're looking for inspiration or a starting structure. But starting from scratch gives you the freedom to build everything exactly how you envision it. Once you've settled on a foundation, it's time to name your board. Naming is crucial because this is how you'll identify what that particular board is focused on. Make sure it's descriptive enough that at a glance, you know what it entails. Next up, let's add some tasks to your board. Think of tasks as the individual to-dos or goals that comprise your project. You'll want to enter clear, actionable items that guide you and your team. Organization is key in task management, so now it's time to organize these tasks. Monday.com allows you to group tasks by different parameters, such as priority, stage in the process, or deadline. Structuring your board this way aids in maintaining clarity and focus. To further enhance your workflow, utilize Monday.com's views to visualize tasks. Whether you prefer Kanban, calendar, or timeline views, the different perspectives can provide fresh insights into task progress and upcoming deadlines. Automation is a game changer when it comes to task management, and Monday.com has you covered. Automate routine follow-ups, task reminders, or status updates to save time and reduce manual tracking. Keep on top of your projects by regularly updating task statuses. An up-to-date board ensures everyone involved knows what's happening and what their responsibilities are. Sometimes adjustments are necessary, so don't hesitate to reassign tasks or adjust due dates when needed. Flexibility is a strength in any well-managed project, and there you have it. With Monday.com, you can transform your task management approach into a streamlined, efficient process. By using these steps, you're paving the way for greater productivity and less stress. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.